Hello everyone, hi, welcome to the channel of Wall Street Mojo.
Watch the video till the end, and also if you are new to this channel, then you can subscribe us by clicking the bell icon.
Today we have a topic. Today we have a topic with us. Is called "What is fiscal year?" See, every country has their own fiscal years. Let it be United States, let it be India, or any other country. They have their own fiscal years. Now, if you see for United Nation, it's January 30th, 2016. Sorry, June 30th, 2016. So, what is the fiscal year's meaning? That's the first thing that we'll try and evaluate. So, fiscal year or FY is referred to as the period used for the accounting purpose, okay, by the industry at large. So, it is a period that is lasting closely around 12 months, and it is used for budgeting purpose. So, account keeping and all of the reporting for the industry. So fiscal year of a country is set by the government, and there is no universal standard on it. So depending upon a country, the financial year may get changed, and due to this constant changing of accounting period across countries, an analyst needs to take into consideration during the preparing the reports, or analyzing the financial companies, and so on and so forth. So generally, by law, several jurisdictions uh, they demand that the companies prepare and publish its financials on an annual basis, but the rule is applicable to the duration of the reporting period and not on the place value. So, in order to make reporting complete, the reports are accompanied by the financial year for which it is being reported. Like, for example, financial year 15 will report for financial year 2015. Now, what is the need for this? Why there is need for fiscal year? See, why it is important to have defined term for accounting period for companies, that's a question. See, one of the reason why the definite term is required for the financial report is that the companies are listed on the uh, countries. They're listed in the country's stock market as well. So in today's world of connectivity, investors from different countries then are investing in companies listed in different stock markets across the globe in different time zones. So in order to facilitate streamline flow of information across different stock exchange, one has to be cognizant of the accounting periods. Now, what is the difference between the fiscal year versus the calendar year? See, fiscal year versus calendar year. So, what is the difference between them? See, if you see for financial year, it starts from July for US to June, but for calendar year, it starts from Jan to December. So, this is a very specific accounting term, which is need not necessarily start on January 1st of the year, and the fiscal year end on 31st December 31st. But this can start at any point. There's no such restriction. It can start at any point. Just that it needs to have a continuous period of 12 months. It needs to have a period of 12 months to finish one accounting period. So, across different countries, the financial year may not necessarily mean the same period. And the calendar year, however, always fiscal year starts on the first day of the new year. Okay, that is in the month of January. Across countries, the calendar year refers to the same period, okay, of the consecutive 12 months starting from January 1st and ending at December 31st. So some companies rather decide to choose their financial year that consists of only full weeks. That's the case. So fiscal year end there on a particular day of the week. So in such case, the length, if you see the length of the financial year is not the exact thing, or the it's not exactly 12 months. Instead, some fiscal years are like 52 weeks, and while some are 53 weeks long, and so on and so forth. Let's discuss some of the advantages. See, now, one of the main deciding factors for companies while making the choices of the financial year is their business cycle. Now, some industries see a parallel in their business cycle with the calendar year, as it fits them better. But in such case, they opt to choose calendar year as the reporting period instead of financial year. And for other industries, a better choice could be to follow financial year as their accounting period, as the companies find it counterproductive to follow calendar year for reporting that comes with the adjustment for the mismatch in the accounting period and the business cycles. Schools and colleges, for instance, they prefer to choose financial year, stating around in the month of June as their accounting period. And the reasons for this is that the time period coincides with the intake of the new batches of students, basically. Now, let's take an example here. Let's say the retail industry in general see a surge in the business in December and January holiday seasons. Now, if the retailer chooses calendar year, then what? So let's assume that for argument's sake, that 2015 holiday season, December 2015, and Jan 2016 was exceptionally for the retailer, and 2016 holiday season was very poor. So when comparing the two seasons, the following will happen. First, the high performing months of December 15, now they will get included in the 2015 year end result only. Now, however, one high performing month of December 16 is included in 2016 results. Okay. When we compare 2015 results with that of 2016, we know that the comparison is not at all fruitful at all, as the full effect of seasonality is captured. So if the retail followed the fiscal year, the retail choose the financial different from the calendar year. Let's say the retail companies, they go for 1st of April, choose 1st of April to 31st of March. Then financial year 2016 will include the high performing months like December 15 and Jan 2016, and financial year 2017 will include underperforming months like December 16 and Jan 17. So this time when we compare financial year 2016 with that of 2017, we can effectively contrast the excellent season with that of the poor season, thereby effectively capturing the seasonality. Now, which are the commonly used fiscal year? Which are them? The first one is from 1st of Jan to 31st of December. Then you have 1st of April to 31st of March. That's one of them. You have 1st of July to 30th of June. And then you have 1st of October to 30th of October, 30th of September. So a fiscal year is usually denoted by the year in which it ends. So if a business follows the April to March financial cycle, then the financial year will be 2017. And for the period from 1st of April 2016 to 31st of March 2017. So on the concluding note, in the above tutorial, we looked at why there is a need to having a definite term financial year and understood its meaning. For the curious ones, there are multiple sources on web highlighting the advantage of choosing a particular period as its financial year. And in general, the decision of choosing the financial year for a company is very specific to the business cycle. So the reporting deadlines of the country in which it operates and demographics.
So that's it for this particular topic. If you have learned and enjoyed watching this video, please like and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Thank you, everyone. Cheers.